Hi class, we have our final lesson in Unit 8. It's finding the missing side given the perimeter. So this is found in Swun 8-12 and 8-13. Our learning goal is today I will apply the perimeter formula for rectangle to find the unknown length or width. So we have the same vocab words. We have a rectangle. It's a two-dimensional plane shape with 4 sides and 4 right angles. Its opposite sides are parallel and equal length. And then we have the perimeter, the total distance around, you can't see that one, sorry. My green pens are just not that bright today. Distance around the geometric figure in linear units. And then we have our example of a rectangle. We see that the opposite sides are parallel. We see that there are 4 right angles. So if these two have the same size, so this would be 8 feet and this would be 5 feet. To find the perimeter, we start at X, we go all the way around our rectangle, adding all the sides distance. To find the area, that is when you multiply length times width to get the center. Today we're not doing length times width to find the area because we're working with perimeter. Here are our perimeter formulas, same as yesterday, and here are our steps. Step 1 is identifying the known information and draw the picture. Step 2 is write the formula for perimeter. Step 3 is substitute with known information. Step 4 is subtract the known sides from the perimeter. Step 5 is divide the difference by 2 in order to find the missing sides, and then answer the question. Okay, I'm going to get out my red pen, so you're gonna pause, you're gonna watch as I give this example. So I have my steps and I have my question. My first question says, if the perimeter of a rectangle card is 14 centimeters and the length, so this is the perimeter, and the length is 5, what is the width? Okay, so I'm gonna write 14 equals to P, and then length equals to 5. Then I'm going to draw my picture, and I know that the longer side is 5, so I'm going to put 5 and 5. Now I need to write the formula. P equals length plus width plus width. And now it says substitute with the known information. So I'm going to put 14 equals 5 plus 5 plus W plus W. These are my W's. Okay. Now I'm going to subtract the known sides from the perimeter. First I need atoms, so I have 10 plus W equals to 14. I need to subtract that from the 14. So I get 4 equals to W plus W. Okay, now I need to divide the difference by 2 in order to find out what W is, or I know that 2 plus 2 equals to 4, so W equals to 2. So what is the width? The width is 2 centimeters, and that is my answer. Okay, I'm going to give you one more example. It says if the perimeter of a rectangular room is 48 feet, so that's P, And the length is 14 feet. That's length. That's L. How long is width? So I need to draw my picture. 14 and 14. W's are unknown. Now I need to write my formula. P equals to L plus W plus W. I'm going to substitute with my known information. So I have 14 plus W equals to 48. Now I need to add those. I get 28 plus W equals to 48. Next step says that I need to subtract. So I subtract this number from 48. And I get 20 equals W plus W. And then I need to divide that by 2 or find what two numbers can I add together to get to 20. 10. So the width is 10 feet. And that is my answer. Okay, I'm getting out my green pen so you are following along. First problem says the perimeter of a rectangular boxing ring is 32 feet, so that's P. The width is 8 feet, that's the shorter side. What is the length? So we need to draw our picture. The width is 8. L for unknowns. Now we need to write our formula. P equals to L plus W plus W. Now I'm going to fill in my information. So I have 32 plus L, equals, not plus, equals L plus 8 plus 8. I add those two. I get 16 plus L equals to 32. Now I need to subtract this number from 32. And I get 16. So 16 equals L plus L. Now I have to find two numbers that I can add together to get to 16 or divide 16 divided by 2. And I get 8. So the length is 8 feet. So this is actually a square boxing ring. Okay, the perimeter of a rectangular playground is 34 meters. That's P. The length is 12 meters. That's L. What is the width of the playground? So I'm going to draw my picture. Length is 12. Now I need to write my formula. P equals 12 plus, L plus W plus W. Sorry, I was getting too excited and already plugging in the information. Now I'm plugging in the lengths, plus W. Add those two together. I get 24 plus W equals to 34. I subtract this number. I get 10 equals W plus W. So the two numbers that I can add together to get to 10 is 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So the width is 5 meters. We need to include our units. Okay, you have 1, 2 homework problems, and then rate your understanding.